Hey y'all, today we're cooking you a half pork loin on the big green egg. So what we have here is a half of a whole pork loin that's been cut down. This is the dark meat end of the loin. Typically you'll see this used for boneless pork chops. They use it at the butcher shop. You can get these at any big box store or your local grocery store. We're just going to give this guy a quick trim. I want to try to get all the surface of the meat exposed. So we're going to take away all of this fat and silver skin. It does not have to be perfect. Just try to get it removed to the best of your ability. Good sharp knife always helps. This is not going to take very long to cook. We are going to inject this. Pork loin, as you can see, there's not a lot of intermuscular fat at all, so we're going to inject it, get some flavors down in there. This is going to cook pretty fast. Probably only going to take, given it's a half loin, probably about 4 pounds, it's only going to take probably about an hour. We're going to cook it at about 275. Again, we're just going to trim this up, no binder. We're going to use a couple of our favorite seasonings and our favorite injection in it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead. We have our half pork loin trimmed out here. We're going to go ahead and inject it. And again, you can use your favorite injection. Today I'm using a blend we use in competition, and I'll just say it's a mixture of apple juice and a few other things. But you want to make sure that you really load this loin up with injection. You can see it blowing up. You can use any type of injector. This is the one I just happen to have here at the house. Keep filling up. We're going to let this sit in here for probably an hour or so before we rub it down. Let those juices get good and marinated in this pork. Add some flavor to it. It's going to be a little sweet, a little salty. And this injection has a little bit of a kick. Okay, this pork loin's been injected for about 1 hour. We're going to start with some Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. And don't be scared. Make sure you cover this really good. This is a thick piece of meat. We want to make sure that we get a lot of that flavor down in there. Just going to roll it over. Hit all sides. Make sure you get that in. Get a nice even coat. This is a good AP for this type of protein. We're going to let this sweat in along with the Heath Riles competition rub. We're going to give it a nice even coat of this. It's going to add some beautiful color, flavor to this loin. Today we're going to be topping this. We're going to glaze this with some Killer Hogs, the barbecue sauce, and a mixture of that and their vinegar sauce. So we want to get some good color. We're going to cook this thing to about 142 to 145 on the big green egg. Shouldn't take any more than a little more than an hour maybe, but make sure you get that piece of dark meat good and coated right there. Just a good even coat. Again, we're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. We're going to take it out, put it on our big green egg. Okay, we're running our egg here about 300 degrees. We're going to be cooking indirect. So I got the coals on one side. We're going to cook on the cool side. You can see here our rubs have sweated into this loin. I'm just going to get up underneath it. We're going to place it off to the side here. Again, we're running at 300. Probably about 35 minutes I'll come out and I'm going to rotate this so we get even cooking on both sides. Okay, we're about 35 minutes in. You can see our rub starting to set up on this guy. We're just going to give it a spin. That way we're cooking nice and even. We'll start checking it again here in about 30 minutes. Okay, we have hit temperature on our pork loin. We have here a half a cup of Killer Hogs vinegar barbecue sauce and a half a cup of the barbecue sauce. Just mixed. We're going to go ahead and glaze this. I'm just going to drizzle some of this right over the top. Kind of let it run down over the sides. Brush a little bit of this on here. We're going to let this go for about another 15 more minutes. We're going to come out and pull this guy off. We're sitting right now about 142. Okay, our sauce is set and it is pouring down rain, so we're going to get this thing off of here. Get this inside, let it rest for a few minutes. We're going to cut into it and see how we did. Okay, so our pork loin, our half loin here has rested. We're going to go ahead and cut it. I'm going right here behind this dark meat. Take a slice out of it. See how we did on that. Ooh, look at the juice. Nice and juicy. Let's cut a slice of this. Check it for tenderness. Got a little tug, but You will never eat a loin this good. You inject it, you season it like we did, you cook it. Again, we took this to 145, glazed it. I mean, the juice is pouring out of it. Perfectly cooked, tender. Give this recipe a try. Get you some of that.